at University of New Haven, we have 3 courses that are surrounding tourism hotel development. And those courses are built really because of the deficiencies I've seen in other programs and what I learned when I went out in the industry that programs should have. And so our students do a course in tourism development where they look at destination design and development. It is a fictitious project, but it teaches them the basics of how destinations are run. It teaches them how to integrate hotels, restaurants, public services, private functions within a destination so that they're not caught off guard when they start working. The second thing we do is we have 2 courses. One is in hotel development where they actually build a hotel, also another fictitious project, but it gives them the ins and outs of how to design properties, how to come up with themes, and how to make sure these hotels can work successfully as well. So those courses, I think, are seminal for our program, and our students do come out and say that they get a lot of takeaway that they can use in the industry. Our alumni have really enjoyed those courses. They tell us that, so we know that they do work and they meet a specific need in the business.